Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my sourdough discard vegan pancakes. We're going to start by making a flax egg with 2 tablespoons of ground flax to 4 tablespoons of water. We're going to mix that up and set it aside to let it gel up. Then we're going to get to work on our dry ingredients. We need to sift 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to whisk all of that together. Now we're going to start on our wet ingredients. We will need 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. I'm using Miyoko's, but you can use what you would like, or you can use coconut oil. We're going to melt that and then add it to a bowl. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, but you can use liquid sweetener of your choice, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then we're going to use a half a cup of sourdough starter discard. You can use it straight from the fridge or room temperature. Then we're going to need to use a 1¼ cup of plant milk. I'm using soy milk, but you can use what you prefer. Mix it until it's well combined. If your flax is now gelled up, you can add that to the wet mixture and mix it again. Now we're going to combine our dry with our wet and mix it until just combined. It will be lumpy and a little thick. I recommend cooking these on a griddle, but if you don't have one, a skillet will work. It's just going to take longer. I use about a half to 2/3 of a cup of batter per pancake, and we're going to cook it on medium-low heat for a few minutes on each side until it's golden brown. Top it with your favorite maple syrup and maybe even some vegan butter, and enjoy.